interrupt our regularly scheduled programming. This is a statewide emergency. Important details and instructions will follow. The following message has been authorized at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the U.S. National Guard, and the U.S. government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A statewide emergency is in effect due to the arrival of the virus, known as H1R34, across the U.S.-Mexico border and the recent collapse of the Mexican government. Civilians residing in the following states: Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, California, are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately and stay away from the infected, who have shown to have aggressive and cannibalistic behavior. Make sure to stack in non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight with extra batteries and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for the duration of this emergency.